In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link boards in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect one board to another so your items can reference each other and stay in sync. Start on your Monday.com home. From here, open the Workspaces panel so you can see the different areas your boards live in. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to link from. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace helps avoid linking to the wrong place later. Open the specific board you'll be working in. We're going to add a new column that creates the connection. Look to the far right of your columns and click the plus sign to add a column. In the column gallery search bar, type Connect Boards and then select the Connect Boards option. This column type is designed specifically to link items on this board to items on another board, letting you create relationships without duplicating information. Next, you'll be prompted to select which boards you want to connect to. Click Select Boards, browse or search for the board you want, and then click that board to choose it. Confirm by clicking Connect Boards. If your workflow involves references across multiple boards, you can select more than one here, but choosing the primary target board keeps things simple to start. You might see a prompt asking if you want to add a mirror column to display information from the connected items. For now, click I'll do it later. That keeps the setup focused on creating the link first. You can always add mirror columns afterward to surface fields like status, dates, or numbers from the connected board. With the column created, it's time to make an actual link. Pick any row on your board and click inside the new Connect Boards column cell. A picker opens where you can search for an existing item by name or add a new item on the connected board if what you need doesn't exist yet. If you prefer to browse, switch to All Items to view the full list from that board. When you find the right one, click the item to establish the link. You'll now see that item listed in the cell, confirming the connection. Repeat this for any other rows that need to reference items in the connected board. And that's it. You've linked boards by adding a Connect Boards column, choosing the target board, and linking items directly from each row. For clarity later, consider renaming the column to reflect what it links to and keep item names consistent so search is fast and accurate.